Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Journey front bumper. Before starting, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a flat blade screwdriver, and a 9/32 inch socket. You'll also want a ratchet and a pick tool. Begin by opening your hood and preparing your workspace. Safety first, so ensure your vehicle is on a stable, flat surface. We'll start by identifying the various fasteners holding the bumper in place. Next, let's focus on the upper section. You'll find several black plastic push clips running along the top edge of the bumper cover, just under the hood. Use your trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver to carefully pop out the center of each clip, then remove the entire clip. Once these are out, gently detach the upper grille by prying its tabs, usually with a flat blade screwdriver, and set it aside. This exposes more of the bumper's structure. Now move to the wheel wells and underneath the vehicle. Inside each front wheel well, you'll find a bolt, often a 7mm, that connects the bumper to the fender. Remove this bolt on both sides. Then, get underneath the front of the vehicle and remove all the remaining push clips holding the bumper to the undercarriage. Don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors for the fog lights and any other sensors by squeezing their tabs. With all the clips and bolts removed, it's time for the final detachment. Starting from one side, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender. There are usually some plastic tabs that will release with a firm but careful tug. Work your way across the front, ensuring no wires or hoses are still connected. Once everything is free, you can carefully pull the entire bumper cover away from the vehicle. Take your time to avoid any damage during this last step.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.